Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. It's Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, and that means we get to eat apples and honey. But it also means that we get to eat challah. Challah is a traditional Jewish bread, usually braided, but for the new year, we eat a round challah. Either way, it is delicious as French toast or bread pudding. Today, I am baking up a round challah and taking it to my mom's house for Rosh Hashanah dinner. You're gonna come with me. Let's start baking. Butter a large bowl and set aside. Stir together 3½ cups bread flour, boop, boop, a ½ cup of water warmed to 100 degrees, a ¼ cup whole milk warmed to 100 degrees, a ⅓ cup sugar, 3 large egg yolks, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, 2 teaspoons coarse salt, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter. Boop beep boop 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 beep boop boop beep boop boop beep boop boop. Turn out dough onto a lightly floured work surface. For British baking show fans, I need you to summon your inner Paul Hollywood and knead that dough. Knead the dough, knead the dough, knead the dough, knead the dough, knead the dough. Transfer dough to buttered bowl. Brush top with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Loosely cover dough with plastic wrap. Let dough rise for about an hour and a half. It's a long wait. Plenty of time for a coffee. Knead the dough again for 5 minutes. Then return to the bowl. Brush the top of the dough with a tablespoon of melted butter. Loosely cover with plastic wrap. Let dough rise for about an hour. Plenty of time for dancing. Preheat oven to 375. Butter a baking sheet. Roll the dough out into one long log, then spiral it together. Transfer dough to the buttered baking sheet. Let dough rise for about half an hour. Since you have time to kill, why not enjoy some Lucky Treats cookies? I mean, it is apple season. Brush dough lightly with egg wash. Bake until golden brown or until interior reaches 180 degrees, about 35 minutes. Challah is done. Let's package it up and take it to my mom's. Okay, so we're at Rosh Hashanah dinner. Let's see what our taste tester has to say about the challah. You ready to taste it? Want an apple?
Excuse me, Daddy.
Take the challah away.